This is your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Brian Neudorff.
Well, to say it's been foggy is an understatement, and that continues here as we work our way through your evening. Just so you know, too, Stephanie Mead has the night off, so here you get stuck with me on a Sunday night. So what we have visibility-wise is you've got 5-mile visibility. Really, it seems like nobody is pretty much immune from the fog, except for maybe Burley, which could still see some fog later on. 7-mile visibility in Jerome, 2-mile visibility around Twin Falls, and it's dropping. So there are dense fog advisories for the western Magic Valley from Jerome, Twin Falls over towards Burley, and well, not Burley, but you get some fog out of this. We've seen it. You've got it looks pretty. All the trees are all nice and white, but that's not the kind of white we need at this point. We need snow, we need rain, because we're definitely dealing with a deficit precipitation-wise, and that may be in the cards by the middle of the week. FUTURECASTER here, you can see the widespread fog, the dense fog, possibly from Boise to Mountain Home, and it definitely across the western Magic Valley. So we'll once again see that play out. We've seen this film before, and that's going to be the case tonight, tomorrow, and probably into your Monday night, Tuesday morning. Current numbers, 22 right now in Twin Falls, so not only do we have the fog, we've got freezing temperatures. You're going to see more of that frost, what's called hoarfrost. It kind of gives those little needles out there. That's going to be predominant on the trees and around the area, but watch for slick spots too, especially overpasses and bridges. As you look at the satellite and radar, still quiet, but hey, there's signs of activity off to our west. One storm system, that's just the outer bands. The first little wave comes through here, misses us, but by Wednesday, this is going to be a pattern changer, and it's going to make sure we're going to see a flatten of the jet stream and get some of this moisture in here. Let's take you into 2 o'clock on your Monday. Still quiet, but more clouds. Sign, it's not going up and over. It's actually coming right into the Pacific Northwest. Here we go into your Tuesday evening. More clouds. Look at that. More precipitation. Seattle, Portland, and then watch this. Taking you into your Wednesday morning. Ah, sweet relief in the form of rain and snow. Finally, some precipitation. Who would have thought I'd get all excited about some precipitation, but we definitely and desperately need it around here, and we might see some of that, at least the chances, over the next few days. I wanted to give you a closer zoom-in look here as we take you from Monday all the way into that Wednesday morning. Here comes that rain, potential snow, maybe even a wintry mix. We're still a couple days out. We're going to fine-tune this as we get closer, but all the signs since last week showed a system coming in here, and this is what we're kind of seeing as we go into your Wednesday. And maybe a chance on Thursday. But patchy fog, mostly clear in the Wood River, 14 degrees, 22 in the Magic Valley. Dense freezing fog again, cloudy and cold. Temperatures, yeah, still maybe just down about 22 where we're at, holding steady, and 24 in the Minnecaja area with patchy fog. The fog in the morning, mostly sunny, 35. We may hold out in the 20s if that cloud cover sticks around. It will be chilly, foggy, and cloudy. Temperatures up to about 33 in the Minnecaja area with morning fog in place. Here's a look at your next 7 days. 28 to 33, showers for the valleys on Wednesday, 49 degrees, slight chance of showers Thursday, kind of an unsettled pattern. Good news though, chance of a few flakes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 39 and 38 degrees, and then the mountains, yes, rain and snow in some spots on Wednesday, chance of snow both Thursday and Friday, maybe continuing into Saturday, and temperatures there 39, 37, and 36 degrees. There's a look at your forecast.
This is your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Brian Neudorff.
Well, we will be talking about change in the forecast, and that means a change in the overall pattern that we've seen. But until we get to that point, we're sticking with the same story. That is fog, and we have seen several days of this. And with the fog, and it's amazing what a little bit of sunshine can do to the overall temperatures. And what we can see from that, when we get sunshine, we get temperatures in the 40s. The last 2 days, cloud cover fog, we've been stuck in the 20s, and that's a cold, damp weather. But right now, here are the current visibility, and as you can see, we are at 2-mile visibility, Jerome. And that 0.3 is a quarter of a mile. They rounded up to 0.3. That would be 0.25. And the fog is beginning to settle in here across the Magic Valley. And, of course, it will continue if you head across the Magic Valley on the highway. Be concerned about the same thing we've been seeing. It's going to make the trees look pretty. That's definitely what we've been seeing. But that goes until 11 o'clock. Dense fog advisory, limited visibility, and, of course, slick road because of that possibility of slick, icy spots on the roadway. So just give yourself a little bit of time. Use your low beams, give yourself plenty distance, use your lights, and if you start to get stuck on the highway, get off the side of the road. Make sure you have your lights on. These are all good advice when dealing with fog and traveling. And of course, that section there in the western Magic Valley, Gooding, Jerome, and northern Twin Falls could see some of that fog again tomorrow morning. Throughout the morning, and I expect clouds, so that means we're going to see chilly temperatures once again. Right now it is 22 degrees, and I really don't expect temperatures to change much from where they are right now, thanks to the cloud cover and the fog that is in place. 25 Burns, 26 in Stanley, and the pattern is dry, high and dry. The jet stream still going to our north, but look at this. This is where it gets really exciting because I have something new to talk about, and it's something you all want to hear, and that is rain or snow or anything other than fog falling from the sky, and that is starting to make its way into the Pacific Northwest. The system still out towards the Pacific, but it's moving this way and not going north into Canada and up towards Alaska. Here we are, 2 o'clock Monday, still fairly quiet, but then here come the cloud, here comes the moisture, and then as we go into, say, Wednesday morning, here comes that first round, but watch this. Here we go, 5 o'clock on your Tuesday, clouds begin to increase, and this is it. This is the exciting part. Look at that. It's blue, it's green, it's precipitation, and it's covering Idaho. So we've got some good news as we go. A little closer view here just to show you that I'm not making this up. As you can see here, clouds begin to increase as we go into your Tuesday morning, continuing through your Tuesday afternoon, and then here we are. We've got possibility of mountain snow, rain in the valleys, and maybe a wintry mix. So we're going to keep an eye on this. We've been talking about it since last week. And it looks like we have definitely a better chance of seeing precipitation by the middle of the week. But patchy fog, mostly clear, 14 degrees, 22, some dense freezing fog, cloudy and cold, temperatures holding steady, and 24, patchy fog, variably cloudy skies. Wood River, 35 degrees, patchy morning fog, otherwise mostly sunny. It is going to be cloudy. It is going to be cold and chilly with areas of fog in the morning. Same in the Mini-Cassia area, 33 degrees. Your next 7 days, your Middlecoff Auto Group 7-day forecast. 33 on Tuesday, scattered showers, something new to say. Wednesday, 49 degrees, slight chance of showers, maybe flakes Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday. Right now, the weekend looking quiet, but we definitely need at least one of these storms, if not more. Increasing clouds Tuesdays for the mountain, 35. Rain and snow showers in parts of the mountains on Wednesday, with lingering chances of snow showers Thursday and Friday. There's a look at your forecast.